Hi, it's Tina from fixyourwater.com, F-I-X-U-R water.com. And I wanted to just give you a few tips if you have bad well water and it's wrecked stuff in your house. The number one thing is that people notice is the kitchen sink. All of a sudden the water's spurting all over the place, or the pressure is lower. Your shower head, the jets are going in all different directions, and it's because the hole that the water comes through is getting clogged with scale or calcium. And here's the number one way to get rid of calcium deposits, either on your toilet, a whitish, grayish ring around your toilet, or your shower head or your faucets, is vinegar. Vinegar is acetic acid. It's an acid, and it will take off the scale. In your toilet, if you have a pretty tough ring that you can't get off with vinegar, a pumice stone will work. The other thing is rust. If you have rust in your water, you'll end up with rust stains everywhere, and there's a product called CLR. I don't like using stuff like that, but if you have rust stains on your grout, on your toilet, whatever, you have to do something. The last thing that I'll talk about is a heating element in an RV. We put a brand new hot water heater in our RV, and we had bad well water. We took the element out. There's a, it's not the heating element, but it's a diode, they call it. And we had a brand new one in there, brand new hot water heater. And 1 month of being on the road with the RV, that diode, you couldn't even see it. It looked like something that had been in the ocean, and it was starting to become part of the reef. So we had to throw out that diode and buy a new one. So save some money. Keep after your bathroom fixtures or whatever, so they don't get totally non-usable and you can't even save them. Or invest money in the course to build our homemade well water filter that will stop all that scale and debris, and it will get rid of the rust out of your water, get rid of the stink, it will get rid of the bacteria and the smell. So looking forward to seeing you in my course, and thank you so much for watching this video.